Welcome to Solved Gadgets. Here are some of the latest technology gadgets that make our lives easier and more efficient. Smart, intelligent, and modern. It is all here. Enjoy today's gadget collection and tell us what gadget you like most in the comments section below. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified about our newest videos. Lucos ultra-wide 4K monitor. It is 14 inches monitor. Lucos has the brilliant 4K display and ultra-wide screen with extreme viewing angles. Lucos is perfect for PC and online gaming. It boosts your productivity through split screen and allows seamless multitasking for work applications such as co-working, multitasking editing, data analysis, video editing, and many more. Lucos can connect 4 devices, and it supports laptops, PC, smartphones, and many more. When the monitor gets heated, the cooling fan runs automatically. Lucos is lightweight with carbon fiber texture, which allows you to carry and boost your productivity anywhere and anytime. Scribble pen. It lets you borrow the colors around you and allows you to use the world. Just scan and start creating. It works by using a special color sensor to read the colors you scan. And a smart pump mixes and dispenses the color ink. With the Scribble Smart Stylus, the colors you scan will sync up with your smart devices via Bluetooth. With Scribble, the world is your palette. Scribble also helps you organize the colors in your home with the app. You can know exactly what colors you scan and save them for later. Night Court Cleaning Air Blower. If you use DSLR camera, you would know that it is very necessary to clean it over time, as the internal parts of camera like lens are very sensitive. In such a situation, if the dust gets inside the camera, you would have a lot of trouble in the picture quality. People use shortcuts to save money for short term, but the DSLR camera is very expensive, so you have to take care of it. In this situation, you need Night Court Cleaning Kit, in which the blower is also available, along with the brushes which is used to clean the dust. This kit includes 2 brushes. One is for camera body, and the other one is for camera lens. Night Court blower is used to clean camera sensor, as this part of the camera is very sensitive. Glam Bank. Whether you're a video creator or want to take your mobile photography up a notch, Glam Bank is the answer to take your photos and videos to a next level. Simply compose your shots, and Glam Bank system will automatically meter and balance the image for you. It's the perfect auto flash sync for any scenario. The compact design is perfect for on the go, so you can use it anywhere. It lasts up to 6 hours on max brightness, so you never have to worry about losing light when you want full control. Glam Bank gives you access to granular adjustable brightness and color temperature to match your surroundings. And create unique looks and enough to charge 2 phones. Place the light anywhere for creative shots, or pair multiple devices and sync them for ultimate creative control. Flex. These headphones come with a wireless compact charging dock, so you can take them with you anywhere and trust that they're always ready to go. Flex is durable and lightweight with no more uncomfortable vibrations. Intuitive and smart touch design that lets you easily move between music and calls, and to keep the conversation and music to yourself. KaiboFlex uses a special cladding technique that eliminates all sound leakage. KaiboFlex gives you up to 8 hours of listening time on a single charge, and when your battery runs low, simply snap it onto the magnetic charging dock to keep you listening for a total of up to 40 hours. Xiaomi cordless drill. Drill machine uses one such thing, which we need at home often. If you repeatedly call the technician to drill on the wall, it will cost you a lot. If you want to buy drill machine for your personal use, then you should go for Xiaomi cordless drill. It's a smart electric drill that meets your daily needs, which is precise, secure, and reliable. It is different from the normal drill, as it is wireless, battery-powered, and can drill on multi-surfaces. It has intelligent chip, which detects a fully drilled nail and auto-stops and can be used as a screwdriver. It can be charged from your Type-C cable charger. Pawport, the smart secure motorized pet door that slides onto existing pet door frames in seconds. Pawport transforms virtually any ordinary pet door into a safe, stylish, and highly secure door that you can control with your smartphone. Pawport metal frame design slides onto the existing pet door's security panel grooves. One tamper-proof screw at the bottom locks Pawport firmly and securely in place. Pawport comes with a small, lightweight, waterproof Bluetooth collar tag that even includes your pet's identification. When your pet goes near Pawport, the doors gently open, allowing your pet to come and go. Don't worry about safety. Pawport, it is built with a sensitivity gauge that immediately opens the door at the slightest resistance. Other pet doors are unsightly and flimsy and allow intruders and other animals to get inside your home. Pawport takes door security to a new level with its thick insulated aluminum doors and airtight steel locking system. If anything forces to open the door from the outside, other than your pet, an alarm will sound and an alert will notify you on your phone. Pawport can be configured, controlled, and operated in the free Pawport app. Don't want your pet to go outside at night? Simply set a schedule in the app, and Pawport will stay locked, secure, and airtight until the curfew expires. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.